Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change your preferred language on our Viki app. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see that I'm already on my home page and this is my particular profile's home page. So to simply change your preferred language from English to any other language, all you have to do is tap on this Me option on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your own profile and then tap on this gear option on the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to various options of settings. All you have to do is tap on this preferred language option just below birthday. Now you can choose various languages that you want to keep for almost all of the dramas and movies that you want to watch later. I'll be choosing one of the language. Okay, I'll choose Italiano. And you can see that my preferred language has been changed from Deutsch to Italiano, which were changed before from English to Deutsch. So this is how you do it. This is how you change your preferred language on a Viki app. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.